The biorefinery industry is witnessing a transition from fossil and chemical-based processes to more sustainable practices, with a growing emphasis on using renewable resources. Analysis of the environmental hotspots identified that 14% of the environmental impact of sophorolipid production process comes from rapeseed oil, while 85% comes from the electricity. Waste cooking oil could be a more sustainable choice, as the use of it allows to avoid 28% of the environmental impact that would be caused by cultivating rapeseed and producing rapeseed oil. Biorefineries should prioritize energy-saving measures to reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainability. The study also highlighted the impact of sophorolipid yield on the environmental performance of the fermentation process. Higher yields were found to result in more efficient resource utilization and reduced waste generation. This research provides valuable insights into the environmental optimization of the fermentation process, and through the application of LCA highlights the potential for the negative environmental impact reduction of sophorolipid production.